Hello, cool kids! We're making cloud paint. You can pause the video anytime to complete a step. Tap play when you're ready to move on. You will need 1 bottle of Elmer's White school glue, 1 can of shaving cream, 1 bowl, 1 paintbrush, and paper. Step 1. Unscrew the top and pour a little of the Elmer's White school glue into the bowl. Screw the top back on the glue. Step 2. Shake the shaving cream and add an equal amount into the bowl. Place the top back on the shaving cream. Step 3. Stir to mix the shaving cream and the glue together. Step 4. Paint! You can glop the cloud glue on nice and thick. You can paint a picture. You can paint clouds. Can paint your name. What will you paint? Kobe likes to check out the pictures. What do you think, Kobe? Step 5. Wipe off the paintbrush. Wash it in warm water to get off all of the shaving cream and glue. Wipe the paintbrush and let it dry. Step 6. Let the cloud paint dry overnight. It will feel puffy and soft to touch in the morning. You can trace the letters in your name with your fingers. You can touch and rub your picture gently. It will feel cool. Thanks for making cloud paint with us. We hope you'll join us again next time for another Cool Kids Campus How-To. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Cool Kids Campus for more stories, learning, and fun.